Okay, welcome back. Now we're going to do some more examples. They're a little bit more complicated, but we're going to apply the rules to them, but just have to be careful. Okay, right? So now we're going to do, again, more combinations of things. So the first one we're going to do is we want to find k prime of x, but we've got a product of 3, right? So now what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to apply the product rule twice here. And I'll show you what I mean. So what we're going to do is we're going to group these two together. And so we're going to just treat this like one function. And so we're going to apply the product rule that says we're going to do the first, which is going to be f of x times g of x times the derivative of the second, which is h prime of x, plus, now we're going to do the second, so h prime of x times the derivative of f, let me do it this way. F of x times g of x. And then now what I'm going to do is I'm going to expand this out. So this is going to be f of x, g of x times h prime of x plus, now I'm going to do the product rule again here, which is going to give me h of x times f prime of x, g of x plus g of x times f prime of x. Okay. And then I'm going to distribute and simplify. So this is going to be f of x, g of x, h prime of x, plus h of x, f prime of x, g of x, plus h of x, g of x, f prime of x. And I believe we're finished. I think that's it. Yep. That's it. Oh, hold on a second. Something's not right. Oh, I knew something was right. I did my product wrong here. This should be, like that. And so then this should be it. Because what we end up with is we end up with 3 products of 3 where one of the triple is the derivative. Okay, so that's why I knew something was wrong. Okay? So now the second one is a quotient rule, but it involves a product in the numerator. So in this case, we're going to end up doing the quotient rule and the product rule together. Okay? So the thing is if I use the quotient rule, what's the quotient rule? It's low D high, right? It's the bottom, 3x plus 2 times the derivative of the top. So derivative of 2x cubed k of x minus the top, which is 2x cubed times k of x times the derivative of the bottom, which we know that's going to be 3. So we're just going to multiply that by 3. Okay? And then divided by the bottom squared. And again, I'm just going to leave it as a square. I'm not going to expand that out. And so now we're going to simplify, and here's where we're going to use the product rule. So this is going to be 3x plus 2. And this is going to end up being so we're going to take the first times the derivative second, the second times the derivative first, so we'll say 2x3 times k prime of x plus k of x times the derivative of the first, which is going to be 6x squared, okay, minus 2x cubed k of x times 3, which means that this is going to be 6. So this is going to be 6x cubed times k of x. And again, this is over 3x plus 2 quantity squared. And now we're going to simplify this. And this is going to be, now we're going to distribute this. This is going to be 3x plus 2. Oh, hold on a second. This is why. No. Okay, see? Oh, hold on. Can I? Do I want to? Okay. If I break this up, then I can cancel this with the first one, and I'll get 2x cubed k prime of x plus k of x times 6x squared over 3x plus 2. No, never mind. I don't want to do that. Okay, so I'm going to erase this part. I'm going to start up here. We'll just expand it out and see what we get. Okay, so I'm going to expand the numerator, so I get 3x plus 2 times 2x cubed times k prime of x plus 3x plus 2 3x plus 2 times k of x times 6x squared, and then minus 6x cubed k of x, and this is all over 3x plus 2 quantity squared. Okay, so now we just have to simplify this. Okay, and see what we get. Now we can only simplify this so much. So this is going to equal I'll write it a little smaller. So this is going to be 6x to the 4th k prime of x plus 4x cubed k prime of x plus, this is going to be 6x squared plus 3x, or times 3x, so that's going to give us 18x cubed. Times k of x, plus 2 times 6 is 12, so that's going to give us 12x squared times k of x, minus 6x cubed times k of x, and of course we've got the 3x plus 2 quantity squared on the bottom. Okay, so now we're going to combine like terms. So we've got x to the fourth, we don't have an x to the fourth, so that's not going to simplify. Okay, so we got 6x to the fourth, k prime of x, plus, now we've got 4x cubed. We've got x cubed here, but these don't match. We've got, oh, here we go. We got an x cubed and a k of x cubed and x, so we can combine these. So let's do that. So we get 4x cubed times k prime of x, and then plus we get 16, we got 18 minus 6, which is going to give us 12. So that's going to give us 12x cubed times k of x plus 12x squared times k of x over 3x plus 2 quantity squared. And that's the final answer. So this is where we stop. Okay. So again, sometimes what we end up with isn't nice looking, but as long as it's simplified as much as we can, and again, I did not expand the bottom, okay, and obviously we can't factor out an 3x plus 2 from the top, and so this is the way you would leave it. Have a great day.